Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidered designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish trendy pattern of hand embroidered designs that are specifically designed for embroidery of cushion covers, pillow covers, table mat, and different type of home DIY accessories. So these circular floral embroidery patterns are unique, easy, creative, and very simple and basic beginner stitches like lazy daisy stitch, French knot, satin stitch, stem stitch, fly stitch have been used to make the whole embroidery pattern. These floral circular embroidery motifs could be an elegant treat for the DIY of your cushions and pillow covers along with your bed sheets and tablecloths. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my videos and in the comment section leave comments that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, on our daily basis, we try our level best to share creativity and beautifully amazing designs with you. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent of sharing designs and ideas is to share creativity with you. As you can see, all of these patterns are elegant, decent, and at the same time give a very unique and decent touch. So different motifs ranging to butterfly, floral 3D embroidery, enhanced embroidery, to moving towards very delicate patterns are being shown. So if you really like them, do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And if you are unable to find the design of your desired choice, then you can explore my channel because on my channel I already have shared thousands of design ideas of handwork, hand art, hand embroidery. So with this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.